Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements and gathering essentials. This saves interruptions later. Sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create it now. Once signed in, choose your purchase path: a one-time Office license or Microsoft 365 subscription. Note differences in updates and cloud storage. Enter payment details and keep the product key accessible. You will use it during activation. Make sure to accept regional billing options and verify email for receipts before proceeding to download. This prevents license mismatches later. You download directly from your Microsoft account portal. Pick 32-bit or 64-bit based on performance needs. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it as administrator to avoid permission errors. Follow prompts and accept license terms. Installation takes several minutes. After install, open Excel and activate. Either input the product key or sign into the account tied to your subscription. Once done, Excel will verify online. If activation stalls, sign out and sign back in to refresh license tokens and retry activation. You finalize by confirming activation under Account, where product information shows license type and expiration. Confirm autosave and OneDrive settings for Microsoft 365. Next, update Excel via Update Options to get security patches and feature parity. Test key features like pivot tables and macros to validate full functionality. If activation fails, run the Office Activation Troubleshooter, clear cached credentials, and remove stale product keys. As a last resort, contact Microsoft support. Have your order ID, product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.